Hunt Bonneau here, reporting live. Hunt Bonneau reporting live.
Hunt Bonneau reporting live.
Hunt Bonneau reporting live. Hunt Bonneau reporting live. One of my favorite things to do is to help people who have been bullied by insurance companies. Hunt Bonneau reporting live from my kitchen. For those of you that are asking the question about whether or not you should sign a medical authorization when an insurance company asks you to, my answer is always no. For those that are brave enough to handle their case without a lawyer and feel like that's something that they want to do, my suggestion is in those cases, get your own medical records. And here's why. With a medical authorization, the insurance company can go get all your records, not just the ones related to your crash. They can get private records. They can get sensitive records. They can get any records because you've authorized them to do so. If the insurance company needs medical records, you go get them yourself, submit it to them, and that way you remain in control that the records that you provide are the ones that are relevant to the case at hand. For Hunt Bonneau and the Bonneau Law Firm, be safe out there.